Happy Halloween! For today's home decorating tutorial, I'm doing a Headless Horseman theme for my tablescape and living room. Please stay tuned for tips and tricks and home decorating ideas for Halloween. So let's get started on our tablescape. I started out choosing this crow table runner and laid it with this long garland of leaves. In the back, I put my silhouette of the Headless Horseman, where I'm going to put flowers and candles. Next, I got some fall picks, this white and orange colored flower, and I'm going to alternate them throughout the garden from orange to white to give it some variety. I'm also going to put some behind the Headless Horseman and in between it to hide the styrofoam blocks and give it a softer look. So here we see the effect of the orange-white flowers. There's flowers in between the Headless Horseman and blocks. And I put an array behind it as well. To help the main centerpiece stick out, I put this moon lamp behind it and two LED candles on some styrofoam and try to cover it up as much as possible with flowering picks. To add interest, I put these candles behind it that are LED, these trees from Target, this lighted skull that I filled with lights, a pumpkin in the center, and also a black ribbon to try to create a focal point in the middle. Next, I added a few more lights to it. I added fairy lights to the actual garland, this little lighted pumpkin, this miniature early American lantern, this green pumpkin from the dollar store, and I added them to both sides to make it symmetrical. Stay tuned to watch the finished result as I finalize my tablescape with added green lights, plates, as well as viewing it in the dark. Now this is the final result with the lights turned on. I added these plates that I got at Joann's last year because they were green and matched my green and orange aesthetic. Behind in the flowers, I also added some green fairy lights to tie in my green color. Now let's look at it in the dark. I'm making many more videos this year with my Headless Horseman theme, so please stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe button so I can bring you more fun and creative content. Thank you for watching and have a happy Halloween.